Okay guys, in this video we are going to talk about important concepts of off-page SEO. Just to give you a small brief about what exactly is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO includes activities that are done outside of the website. That is where we are trying to create more backlinks, to get more link juices from reputed websites, to make sure that we include some nofollow links of some reputed websites, okay, from more linking root domains, etc. Okay, so we are going to understand more about all these important concepts of backlinks, link juice, no follow, do follow links, linking root domains, low quality links, and anchor text. So let's cover them one by one. Number one is backlinks. Okay, backlinks is nothing but incoming links to a web page. Also can be referred to as your hyperlink, your website hyperlink on some other websites, on some other website. Okay, I'll give you an example also. Mainly you can consider it as a link which when clicked upon opens your website. Okay, for example, if website A has a link of website B on it, that means website B has a backlink from website A. So mainly it means that website B is getting a backlink and website A is linking to website B. Why it is important? Since backlinks from reputed websites will give you more credit by search engines, especially Google. So this concept of backlink was introduced by Google, where Google gave more importance to websites which were having backlinks from more reputed websites than them. Okay, so this covers concept number one. We'll move to concept number two. Concept number two is link juice. Now what is link juice? When a crawler passes, now a crawler is a search engine crawler which comes to a website to collect the data from one website to another. It is said to have passed link juice or reputation. So if a crawler is moving from website A to website B, that means a part of a reputation of A has been passed to B. It means that website A is recommending website B. Okay, so how does it work exactly? For example, if website A has a link of website B on it, and Google crawler discover that, is said to have passed link juice. So it's not only important to have a link on some other website, but it's also important for Google crawlers to understand that, okay, fine, then there is this link, and that happens. How that happens, we'll talk about that in the next slide. Okay, why it is important? Since the reputation will not increase unless the link juice is said to be passed. So if the link juice is not passing, Google will not give any extra reputation to website B for having a link on website A. No follow links. So let's say this totally depends on you, whether you want to pass some reputation to some other website or want to pass some link juice to some other website or not. So no follow link, when a link is not passing any link juice to your website, is said to be a no follow link. Okay, this can be done by adding a rel no follow link. So let's take an example. I'm writing a listing article where I'm listing 10 best websites in the country, but I don't want to pass link juice to all the 10 websites. So I can easily add a rel no follow link to all the websites where I don't want to link my pass my link juice. Here I'm giving a indication to the crawler stating that, hey, do not follow that website. I have put the website link on my site, but I don't trust that website, or maybe I don't want my reputation to be passed to that website. I'm not recommending that website. For example, if a website A has a link of website B on it, but it has included a no follow tag. Okay, on the website A, a no follow link will look like this. So this is more like a HTML. So it's always recommended to have a basic understanding of HTML if you're planning to do something in SEO. So here we're gonna just look at here, rel is equal to no follow. This is what we are referring to as a no follow thing. So when the Google crawler comes here, it is not gonna pass to website B, though website A has a link of website B on it. Okay, why it's important? You may not want to, as mentioned, you may not want to pass the link juice to all the websites that you have mentioned, so you can just easily add a no follow link. Do follow links, by default all the links are do follow links unless specified. So unless you write the no follow attribute, in this case we have not mentioned a no follow attribute. If you have not mentioned that, that means the link will be followed, the crawler will follow website B. If you are building backlinks, yes, definitely you don't want others to have a no follow attribute to your website. Last is linking root domains. So what exactly is linking root domains? This is the count of unique domains from which your site is receiving backlinks. Okay, now previously what used to happen, that let's say if I'm your friend and I've got a website, you have got a website, you may just ask me, hey, put 10 backlinks on your site, and I'll say okay, no problem, I'll do that. Then you will count it as 10 backlinks. Okay, but then Google has introduced this, this is something called as linking root domains. So how many unique websites are you linking to? So website B has 2 backlinks from website A, and website B has 4 backlinks from website C. Though the total backlinks are 6, a backlink from linking root domains will be counted as only 2, that is website A and C. So if there is some other competing website which has got more number of backlinks from a variety of linking root domains, that is definitely going to be a more advantage. Okay, so the more number of linking root domains you have, the better it is. Why it is important? The more links from the various domains will help improve your website backlinks profile. So your website backlink profile increases or improves. Okay, next is low quality links. Low quality links is links from spammy websites. So you have linked to a lot of spam websites or porn sites for that matter, when the link profile is of a low quality. Why it's important not to build low quality links is because if you have low quality links, Google will tend to treat your website as a spammy website again. Okay, such links will affect the reputation of the website and eventually hit the ranking too. So Google would not want to rank you high if it suspects that you are linking to a lot of spammy websites. The last but not the least, we're gonna talk about the anchor text. Anchor text is the text, okay, which is hyperlinked is called the anchor text. The text which is hyperlinked is called the anchor text. Okay, we'll just look at the example. Okay, if website A is linked to website B with the following. Okay, so here there's a href tag, www.b.com, best websites for SEO, and that's there. So the best websites for SEO is the anchor text in this case. Okay, in the previous examples also we have mentioned about the hyperlinks. So in this case the anchor text in this case is website B. If you are looking at this ahref www.b.com, website B is the anchor text. Why is anchor text important? Anchor text is very important because the Google or the crawlers make a note of it. Preferably the anchor text should be a keyword or the term which is synonym to the keywords for which you want to rank. So mainly if you are having this thing, best websites for SEO, this is your anchor text. So Google will assume that b.com is a website, is one of the best websites for SEO. So that's what it concludes. Okay, great guys, I hope you understood all these concepts. In fact, I've mentioned the link in the description. You can go through the blog article as well, where all these things are mentioned, and you can just reread them as well. Great, thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying. Bye, see you.